So, after I'm done with all my activity, I will show you what's in my backpack. Good morning, Slay. Today I'm so excited because I get appointment with a health skin consultant in New Skin Showcase. So I have to get ready because I don't want to running late. Because Saturday it's always super traffic. Then I have to be prepared now. After my appointment done with my health skin consultant, I will show you my little backpack collection and what's in my backpack. So ready to go. Oh, and some tips for you if you got a boring clothes. You can wear a stunning scarf or change your necklace. That's tip from me. Just try it. Just try this. Trust me, boo. Trust me. So before you go, don't forget to touch up your lip first. So I use NYX lingerie in a nude shade. Okay, darling, it's time to touch up. Am I good now? So I guess I'm gonna be late if I'm not use Ojek online. So I prefer to order now and I'm ready to go. So I get a driver now. So love, are you ready to get ride with me? So helmet for safety. And I'm arrived in my destination. This is New Skin office. So let's get the ticket for queued up. What number did I get? Okay, 018. So this is my outfit of the day. My army top by Mickey and my bangle by Hermes. So my rings by Hermes too, my scarf by Forever 21, my hat by Rite, and this is my MCM backpack and my Fendi Monster Fur Charm. This is the Visia to detect my skin. Hey Slay Bae, I'm at New Skin now. I'm done after I check about my skin condition. So I will share you my result after this. Now I want to try water purifier. And I want to try now. Take a glass first. But sorry guys, like I'm not familiar with this machine. So oops, okay, maybe I'm wrong. Let's do it again. Oh, I forgot to open. Sorry guys. Okay, off. Okay, so you can see it. This one, the color very cute. So this is the water. Let's try it. It's so fresh. And I get the voucher for this.
Area ini adalah area kulit yang sedang sensitif atau meradang karena paparan matahari. Batas normalnya semua angka di bawah 100 ya, kecuali kerutan di bawah 20. Jadi ini kerutannya di bawah.
This is by photonic scanner. This one. This is the healthcare consultant. Wanna explain to me about this?
Oke, jadi kita mulai dari skin cardnya dulu. Itu ada cek antioksidan, agree. Nadia?
Yes, my name.
Oke. Habis itu cuci tangannya dulu.
So I have to clean my hand before start for detection.
Then you there. Ini biofotonis shampoo ini.
I have to tap it?
No.
Oh. In this way.
Ini look.
So I have to hold it tight like holding my boyfriend. Kidding, guys. As so you know, guys, this is the fastest antioxidant scanner. I can wait for the result. Just let's see.
TikTok. Yay.
Ini yang tercepat ya. Oh, 13.000. Jadi dia masih rate di sini.
What's that mean?
It's not happy result, but this is good for me. Like this is for my warning to no concern with my health.
Next. Nah, jadi ini nunjukin kayak dietary habit, supplementation, lifestyle choice.
So my hand
di sini.
still like this? Okay.
Yang bagus di hijau biru.
Oh my god. I got a bit.
So it's time to leave. Okay, Slay Bae, I'm done with my beauty health consultant, and now it's time to go home. Oh, I forgot. I don't want to let my cat starving. So first, I want to stop by to the mall to go buy my cat foodie first. After that, I will show you what's in my backpack. So this is not my ordinary day because I stopped by to the mall just buy a cat food. Like, you know, mall is my second playground because I got appointment tonight. Oh, this is my old stuff that I want to show you guys. And this is my smile backpack with a smile for charm. I love so much this backpack because the color, I love baby pink. I got this backpack like a half month ago. I really love this backpack. This bag got a place for a mini laptop. And what I love from this bag, the little pocket in the front with zipper, of course, because got full smile pattern. And the second one, my shabby backpack. This is so girly girl. I love this so much too because full of shabby pattern. And the colors, this is like baby creamy mixed with the flower with baby pink. This is roses, and I love this so much. I got this backpack by online as well, and if I open it like this, yeah, kind of this. You can put a lot of stuff, even looks a little backpack, but this is can help you to carry a lot of stuff. So this is my backpack. The brand is MCM, and I got cute Fendi Monster bag charm. I just got a little collection of backpack, but this one is my favorite because so matchy with my many outfit. And this one, my cat eye sunglasses. I really love the shape so much. And this one, my contact lens container by Anasui Look at this with flower detail. And this is my zebra makeup pose that I always take with me everywhere because girls need makeup. And this is my Chanel powder. This is a magic because can make your skin very glow. And I always take NYX blush. This is a rose powder. The color it's so big. And I always take a lip matte everywhere because for touch up my lips, this is the color that I use now. So I got black nail polish. I really love the container because the shape of bear. Look at this, how cute. And this is my Mickey sanitizer. I take this everywhere because like I love clean properly. And this one, my Hanset hair clip. I always take hair clip everywhere because you can see my hair is so long. And this is my kitty mirror for check. And my look still stunning. And this is my iPhone with lip cast Supreme. I love them at Supreme. And this is my headphones with a shopping color. And this is my Minnie Mouse clip for my cable charger or anything kind of that. And this is my bank token and iPad sticker on it, you can see it. And this is my bling black wallet. This is from Rusty. I just love use a matchy wallet with my bag. And this is my school pouch for my coin I got from Metal. That's a wrap. So Slay Bae, that's all stuff from my backpack. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my video. So see you in my next video. Bye!